how to log in and search for a firearm in your subscription. At bluebookofgunvalues.com, select Login in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on the Email Data field and enter the email address that you signed up with. Then, hit Tab or click on the next box to enter your password. And then click on the login icon or hit Enter. On this page, scroll down and then under Existing Online Subscriptions, choose the subscription that you would like to access. We are going to select Gun Values. This will open up the A section of manufacturers. If the manufacturer you are looking for starts with the letter A, find them in the list and click on their name. Otherwise, to find what you are looking for, we have a couple of options. You can scroll up and select Search, or you can use the letter drop-down on the right side of the menu bar. We will choose the letter W for Winchester. Now that we have the W page open, we can select Winchester from the list. This will open up the firearm category page for the selected manufacturer. Choose the appropriate category for the firearm that you are looking for. This next page contains all of the models in the category that you selected. You may scroll through the available models to find yours. Now that you know how to search by the first letter of the manufacturer's name, let's do a keyword search. Instead of using the letter drop-down box, click on Search near the middle of the menu bar. For the manufacturer and model fields, spelling is important, and the search will yield results based on how they are listed in our database. Keep in mind that some guns use various types of nomenclature for the same thing. If you don't get instant results, try adjusting the words that you use to search with. In this model search, we have entered multiple keywords. If you enter more data, you will yield less and possibly more precise results. If we try to search again using less data, you will see that the results are a lot more broad. Thanks for watching. For other questions about your subscription, please watch our other videos. For more info about this topic, please message us at guns@bluebookinc.com.